I just decided like 20 minutes ago that I was gonna make this video. Sorry for this horrible light situation. It's like cutting into my car. But today's Halloween. My hair is really greasy, but it's okay because I'm wearing a headband tonight, so you're not gonna be able to tell, hopefully. I just left class and work. I feel like I literally open every single vlog like that. Just left work, just left class. So I'm actually going to the store now to see if I can find John devil horns, because the party we're going to tonight is like angels versus devils. It was like last minute. He didn't even know like if he was gonna dress up, so he's just probably gonna wear like a black shirt, and I was just gonna see if I can find him some, because I don't want him to like not be themed at all, you know? So I'm gonna go see if I can find it. He stopped somewhere on his way to work, and I think he looked at like the dollar store, and there was a spot for them, but they were out. So we have a dollar store here, and if not, I'm gonna go to the Target right next to it. And if that doesn't work, there's like a Halloween store kind of a little bit further away, but one of my friends just said she just checked last night and they had a ton of devil stuff. So worst comes to worst, I'll go there. I just wanted to make a video kind of me getting ready, and I love Halloween. I mean, like, I haven't really felt in the like spooky season, I guess. I haven't really done anything. I've been so busy with school, so it's been kind of like sad, but I'm ready to get spirited and have fun. But I didn't really have a costume either. I totally put it together last minute. I'm just wearing a white outfit, and then I have a halo like headband, so that's as good as it's gonna get for me. I think all of my friends are gonna meet at my apartment actually, and then we're gonna go out after. So it's mostly gonna be the process of me getting ready, but I wanted to kind of like intro this and like show you guys I'm obviously looking for like Halloween stuff now, so it still goes with the video. This week has been so much, so I'm ready to like have fun, ready to enjoy Halloween. My hair is so nasty and I hate looking at it, so I can't wait to wash it. I actually might not wash it, because tomorrow if I dress up again, I was thinking about doing it, I was gonna be a boxer, so I would like braid my hair. So at that point I don't need to wash it if it's going in braids. I don't know. There's like absolutely nothing here in the dollar store. Everything is gone. So gotta go check Target now. Here I am at the scariest Walmart in the world, because Target had nothing. This has not been successful at all. I went to the dollar store, then I went to Target, then I went to Ross, and then I went to Walmart, all within like 20 minutes, and none of them had anything. So I'm gonna go, I really don't want to do this, and I'm going to the mall that's closest to us, because they have like one of those Spirit Halloween stores. Everyone's saying the one that's like further away has stuff still. I'm just gonna check this one because it's closer and I'm right next to it. If not, I'm gonna have to drive further, and that's annoying, but John better appreciate this, because I still have to go and get ready, and I actually might go get a spray tan. I self-tanned last night, so that's why I look better than usual. I got a text today saying they're like doing $10 off like a monthly membership. I had the monthly thing in September, and then I canceled it for October because I was like, I know I'm not going to be like needing it that much, and I didn't want to keep paying $30, so I canceled it. So I'm wondering if I can sign up again just for this month and get the $10 off, so it's only $20, and then cancel it again. I think there's an accident right here. Please have something. It just took me freaking forever to get here. So I ended up getting these. I already took them on the package, so I cannot believe I drove around for 2 hours just to get these, but it's fine. I also was trying to get him like a headband, and these are, I think it's like a string he'll like wrap around his head and have to like tie under his chin, but they were cheaper, and the other ones like came with like a tail, and they were all like satin, so they look girly. So these are fine. If anything, I can maybe attach this to a headband, but that was quite the mission to find those. I also just put my hair up because I'm gonna wash my face to get like this little bit of makeup off. I'm gonna go try and do the spray tan thing. I'm gonna see if they're gonna let me start another month, even though I've done it before, but like I canceled it. I don't know. I have to rush and then come back and get ready. I feel like I'm totally like running around, but it's okay. So it worked. Obviously I'm very dark. I did the instant one, but you gotta do what you gotta do, and I'm probably gonna sweat it off when I get there. I'm pretty sure the girl like remembered that I had a membership though, because like I tried to like say I was gonna start one, and she was like, don't you have one? And I was like, oh, like I canceled it for this past month, but I want to start it again. And she was like, oh, okay. So I still got the discount. My face is dark. I look so much better with a tan though. Like for a long time I would get the clear one, like it wouldn't develop right away, it would take a while, because I was scared I was gonna look like orange. But then my other friend, she's like, no, get the instant, and then I did it and I like it better. So time to do my makeup. Y'all, I'm dark. I probably should have got the level 1, but I'm also simultaneously trying to charge my phone because it's on like 18%. It's not gonna help because video just drains my battery, but I don't feel like setting up my camera, and this is easier. I definitely need like a vlog camera. I was gonna get one a while ago, but I was still kind of feeling out what videos I was gonna be doing, and just now getting back into it, I didn't want to like drop a ton of money on a camera like right away. This is gonna be so light for me now, but that's kind of good because it's gonna like counter it. Obviously I needed to lighten it up a little bit. I can't put too much though. I need it to like blend, and I don't know if it's gonna do that. I told John I was getting spray tan. He was like, what kind of angel is that if you're just gonna be tan? And I'm like, you're kind of right. My version is a tan version. I'm still gonna have to put a ton of bronzer on to make this look the same as my body because I'm lightening it up way too much. I look crazy. I'm also worried I'm not gonna have enough battery because I'm videoing. But I want to like show you, the whole point is I'm doing like a get ready with me. Like so you guys can see how I do my makeup and stuff, so I can't just stop. Oh well. I have like an hour or so before we leave that I can charge it. But then we're gonna be wanting to take pictures, so that's gonna drain it too. Okay. This is the biggest first world problem I think I've ever heard in my life, but whatever. I feel like, okay. I'm scared. I feel like I didn't even give it enough time to settle, like the tan. And then I slapped on moisturizer, and then I slapped on foundation. So I feel like as the tan is setting, it's either gonna like combine with this and like settle weird, or my makeup's gonna be breaking up all night, because it already looks like it kind of is. I'm stressed. I hate rushing. I'm actually probably kind of like right on time. It's like 6 now. I'm not gonna do anything special, I don't think, with my makeup. I didn't plan on it. Probably shouldn't because I don't want to mess it up. I mean, I guess I can just put on like a lot of highlighter. Maybe I'll do like some really shimmery eyeshadow. Yeah. I'll put on like glitter, but not anything like too crazy. I really want to do a Halloween where I just like do like really gory makeup, like something I can do with those like bright white contacts or like something cool like that. Because I've never done like makeup for Halloween, which I would love to do because I love doing makeup. But I just haven't like had a costume that does that. So I'm just gonna do like a transition color for now, just to figure out what I'm gonna do. I actually haven't dressed up for Halloween like the past like 3 years, or no, 2 years. I did my freshman year, and then sophomore year I don't remember. I think, I don't know why. I don't know if I was like home or like I was busy. Something happened that I didn't go out or like dress up or anything. And then last year I was in my boot, because that's when I fell down the stairs at school and I twisted my ankle. Like the worst of my entire life. It was literally worse than breaking a bone. I can't believe it was a year ago. But yeah, I was physically unable to partake in Halloween festivities last year. And I was really sad because I love Halloween. Okay, I'm gonna take something really sparkly. Like that. Oh yeah. This looks white, but I promise it's like light pink. I'm gonna put like a pinkier one. I promise I'm not flicking off. I don't know if I did that the first time. Oh yeah, okay. This will work, I think. Maybe. I don't really know what else to do. I guess like a maroon kind of color. I don't know, I always just do warm shades. That's gonna look good though. I haven't done like a really light color on my lid in a long time. I think John is picking me up food too. He's on his way from work, and we're either getting Chick-fil-A or hibachi. Not sure what he's gonna get. I'm just gonna go underneath with that like darker color. Is this a makeup tutorial? Kinda. I wish I had done like Halloween videos, like costume ideas or like makeup, but I just like didn't think about it. And I've been super busy. So I decided like last second I was gonna film this. Just because I also didn't know what else I was gonna upload this week, because I didn't do like a week in my life or anything. And I like to get a video up every week. I've been doing pretty good. I don't think I've missed a week in like a long time, so I feel like something's off. It looks pretty good. It's gonna have like cut crease vibes. It just always looks that way when you do a lighter color on the lid. I'm just gonna put a lot of highlighter too. I feel like the girl at the tanning place knew I was like finessing, but I really did. I knew I was gonna go back to it at some point, but I just didn't know when. And I'm excited to have it back because it was so easy and convenient. Now I'm gonna get a really bright white for the highlight color. I actually should put like a lot of this. I finally did my eyebrows last night. They were so bad. I'm just gonna kind of like cut the corner. I always do this just to kind of make it a more defined line. My beauty blender is probably so nasty though. I haven't cleaned it in a long time. Honestly, I haven't cleaned any of my brushes in the longest time. Dang it, I probably needed to get more lashes too. Mine are like gross. I've used them like way too many times. This looks pretty good. I'm feeling it. Now I need to powder my face. This is gonna make me look paler too, so I'm gonna have to counter it with bronzer. Just like full cake face. Did you expect anything less? I cake my face for like dinner, so obviously I'm gonna do it on Halloween. I actually haven't worn as much makeup as I used to. Like, I totally don't wear as much. I used to do this like every day for school, basically, just minus the lashes. Like when I was in high school, I did the most. Bronze all the way around. But yeah, I'm just, it's so, I cannot believe it. I cannot imagine putting on a full face of makeup every day. Even like today, I knew I was gonna go out and I didn't do it. Like for work, I just like barely put any on and then knew I could take that off and then do this. I tend to do that when we have like events. I won't do my makeup like in the morning. I'll just wait until later. So I'll just do something like really simple for work. I love doing makeup though. Like I have fun with it. It's not because I like need it, but you know. I'm just so natural. I feel like I still look too light and powdery. I haven't been saying any products I've been using. I use Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Just like a Rimmel powder, Hoola bronzer. I'm about to use a Tarte blush. I actually really like this blush. And I just started using it again. I actually kind of want a lot of blush. It's pretty luminous, so it helps with the glow. Now it's time. Ofra highlighter. I'm gonna pack it on. Well, not pack, but like swipe. Oh, I just don't look like stupid. Is it gonna look like it's supposed to be part of my costume, or am I just gonna look like I don't know how to do makeup? We are glowing. Okay, no more though. I need to blend out my bronzer some more. I always do that. I high-key like always look like I got punched in the face because my bronzer's so dark. You would think I would learn how to fix that by now. When I do lashes, I like barely put on any mascara. I just do like a quick little coat to get them started. I really hope my lashes are like fine for use. I think I might have 2 different pairs, so I'll have to see which ones like look the best. Yes, I have 2 pairs. I have these, which are probably dead. Okay, but these are too thick. I don't think I can wear these. I think I wore these for recruitment, but I like these better. They look fine. I have to like brush them out. Like half of them end up getting ripped off though. Like it used to go like all the way to here, and now it's like all of that got ripped off. But it actually fits my eye better. They're better than these still because these just look like really thick and like worn out. I don't know. Maybe I should wear the thick ones. I don't know. I kind of like them thick on the ends. I'm gonna put on the thick ones. This is probably a mistake. I'm gonna put on the thick ones, see what they look like. Worst comes worst, I just rub them off and throw them away. Oh gosh, okay, let's try this. Obviously I kept them for a reason, so like they must have some kind of potential that I just forgot about. While that gets tacky, I comb through my eyebrows and then I just use like a powder to fill them in. God, I look like a different person. I literally have no eyebrows until I do this. This really needs to be sharpened. I can't do all these things at once. Keep in mind, I'm still holding my lashes and a pencil sharpener in the same hand. Okay, good enough. Then I just pull out the tail a little bit. Just make them a little more defined. Okay, let's try and do this. I'm scared. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna work. It's like this corner, like what even is that? I do like that they're thicker though. This inside corner is just like not doing it for me. Let's try the other one. This was a stupid one though, so like this one I know will look better, but I have to evaluate the whole situation and see if they'll even work at all. I'm so excited. I love Halloween. Ow, ow, no, ow. I don't use tweezers by the way either. Tweezers are for the weak. That was actually like a meme, I think. I saw something on Twitter. It was like girls who put eyelashes on with their bare hands like know how to fight. I've never been in a fight, so I can't attest to that. Okay, this one looks fine. Okay, you can't even see like my pretty white eyeshadow though, because these are just humongous eyelashes. I'm sorry I'm making that hideous face. It has to happen. I'm not gonna do my lips yet because I'm probably gonna eat. Oh, good. Very shiny still. So I just kind of recurled my hair. Sorry if you hear music in the back, but all my friends are here now. Honestly, my outfit is kind of stupid. Like I've worn this a million times for different things. It's just like a white tube top and then I have this wrap skirt. Also the fan is really loud, so sorry about that. And I show my halo. Makeup done, hair done, ready to go. So we're about to head out. Again, sorry, it's probably really loud, but thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you had a fun Halloween. And here I am, an angel. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Bye!